Hi, let's see how to complete the school registration. Choose School Configuration section. Here, you can update school details if needed. Then click Save. Next, go to Manage Class. You'll see a list of all the created classes here. To add a new class, click on Add Class. Choose the class to be added, add divisions. Then hit Save. Now, to add students, click on the Students tab. To add individual students, click Add Student. Fill in the details. Then select Add Student. To bulk register students, get the sheet. Go to Files and make a copy of the sheet. Change the folder to your drive. Now enter the student details here. After entering student details, download the sheet in Excel format. Then to upload the student details, click Upload File from your computer and upload the downloaded sheet. Click Enroll to complete student registration. To make the students register, click Invite Students, select Class and Division, and Generate Link. You can share this link to students via mail or WhatsApp. Students can use this link to register. When the student clicks the link, they will be directed to fill the form given. Here they can enter their details. Name, username will be their admission number, and following details. After filling all the details, they can click Sign Up. Now the teacher need to approve the student registered. Click Approval Pending. Now select the class, and you can see the registered student here. Select the student and approve. Now the student is registered in the platform. You can use Filter option to see the students.